Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn about square roots. We are going to discuss about exercise 7.2, pattern number 7. Okay, pattern number 7. I am going to do question number D. So, see over here. In this question, what we have is square root 4 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 4. Okay, so what we have to do is inside, like we did in the square roots in pattern number 6, same we have to do here. But what we have to do in right now here is, first we have to take consider of 4 to the power 3. Okay, 4 to the power 3. Okay, so 4 to the power 3 usually means 4 into 4 into 4. Okay, but since this is square root, okay, square root, okay, so we need something which has, okay, even times. Okay, we have to do something that we can multiply 4 times, 2 times, 4 times, 6 times, okay, 8 times, not 3 times, 5 times. Okay, we cannot convert that into this square root. So what we have to do is, we have to take consider first what is, see, we have to take consider 4. Okay, 4, we know that 4 is 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. Okay, instead of we are only considering 4 only now. Okay, we have 4 to the power 3, but instead of 4 we will write 2 to the power 2. Because we know 2 to the power 2 into 2 is equal to 4, right? So 1 2, so 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. That's why we are writing that 2 to the power 2 instead of 4 here. Okay, so 2 to the power 2, again there is bracket, and to the power 3, because this is already there. Okay, so instead of 4 we are writing 2 to the power 2. Okay, so what happens now if we solve this? 2 to the power 2 into 3. We all know the law of exponents. Okay, we are doing this from the law of exponents. If there is some bracket and in between there is 2 powers, so in between two powers, if there is a bracket, then we have to multiply that. So it becomes now 2 to the power 6. Understood? Now, so for that only, if we write here, instead of 4 to the power 3, we will write 2 to the power 6. Okay, so this is also important. If you want to copy this, you can copy this, but I'm going to rub here because I need some space over here. Okay, so now instead of 4 to the power 3, 2 to the power 6. How this 2 to the power 6 came, we have already discussed. Okay, so instead of everything will be same. Okay, so now in the square root, now again look at here, 2 to the power 6 and 2 to the power 2. So we will write how many times? 6 plus 2 is 8, right? 2 to the power 8 into 5 to the power 4. Okay, so since this square root, okay, instead of this square root, we can do this like this, in this way also. Okay, now instead of this square root, now as I remove this square root, okay, as I remove this square root, I have to write 8 into 1 by 2 instead of this. Because of this square root is getting removed, okay, I can write 8 into 1 by 2. Again into is there, 5 again 4 into 1 by 2. Okay, so now we can cut this. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So how much it becomes? 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 2. So as we solve that, okay, 2 to the power 4 means, we know 2 to the power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Okay, 5 to the power 2 means 5 into 5 is equal to 5 5 ja 25. Okay, so as we multiply 5 into 16, 25 into 16, how much the answer becomes? 6 5 ja 30, 0 remaining 3, 2 6 ja 12, 13 14 15, 150 into 125 ja 25. So 0, 5 plus 5 is 0 and 1 carry over. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 2 4. So answer is 400. Okay, in this way you can solve that question. Okay, in this way you can solve this question.